Happy Minuluan Festival! Woo! Happy 26 Minuluan Festival!
Welcome to the land of sweet surprises, the province of Negros Occidental. We're here in a place nestled right between Bacolod City and Talisay City, famously known as the cradle of Negros civilization. This is Talisay City, a land with a rich past, a vibrant present, and a community that knows how to celebrate life like no other. And today, we're not just visiting, we're diving headfirst into the 26th Minuluan Festival, a spectacular tribute to Talisay's roots, its resilient people, and its incredible journey from a humble settlement called Minuluan into the thriving city it has become. So mga kasama, mga kawander, buckle up because what you're about to see isn't just a festival, it's the very soul of Talisay brought to life on the streets. Isa sa mga activities sa 26 Minuluan Festival amo ang ilang dancing traffic enforcer. So magbakita sila sa ilang skills, karon dugay-dugay, dapulo ka mga traffic enforcers sa magapa-indes kag may duwa ka guest karon. So tanawon nato nina kaga kung manami ilang performance ari na sila, excited na sila. Mga ka-wonder, mga karadyuman, mga kasama.
The Talisay City Dancing Traffic Enforcer competition held during the Minuluan Festival is more than just a showcase of skills. It serves as a platform to boost morale and motivation, encourage professionalism, enhance public image, promote tourism in the host city, and foster a positive image of local governance.
Actually, dugay na, may-ari man kami isang dancing enforcer, but ginahiwat namon sa plaza lang, sa stage. So this is the first time na gibutang namon sa dalang gate para actual ang pag-traffic nila.
One of the most exciting parts of the Talisay City Dancing Traffic Enforcer competition here in the 26th Minuluan Festival is recognizing the talent, dedication, and showmanship of the participants. The city government provided cash prizes for this competition.
With a prize of first prize 8,000, second prize 6,000, and third prize is 5,000. Kag ang hindi magdaong may mga 1,100 kada isa sila. Consolation.
Today, we've witnessed how the traffic enforcers of Talisay City can command not just the roads, but also the stage, bringing joy, energy, and pride to the Minuluan Festival. But the excitement doesn't stop here, because up next, we shine the spotlight on elegance, intelligence, and beauty. Prepare to witness grace and confidence as we move on as one of the most awaited highlight of the festival, the Miss Talisay pageant. This year, 12 dazzling candidates competed for the coveted crown of Miss Talisay 2025. Emerging victorious was none other than the radiant Kimberly Kate Payomo, who now carries the title of Miss Talisay 2025. The night became even more unforgettable with a special performance from celebrity guest Enrique Hill, adding star power and excitement to this grand celebration of beauty, talent, and culture. But the celebration doesn't end here. As the crown shines bright tonight, the streets of Talisay are set to come alive with color, rhythm, and culture. Get ready for the much-awaited 26th Minuluan Festival Street Dance and Dance Drama Competition, a showcase of artistry, tradition, and vibrant spirit of Talisaynon people.
So mga kasama, in a few minutes mag-start na ang street dance sang Minuluan Festival diri sa Talisay City. Kag 7 ka competing from a different clustered barangay. So sa likod ko subong ang iya ka Maradula.
The streets of Talisay are bursting with life. Crowds pack every corner, families gather in excitement, and friends stand shoulder to shoulder, eagerly waiting for the grand 26th Minuluan Festival street dance and dance drama competition to unfold. Children ride on their parents' shoulder for a better view, while spectators cheer in anticipation as the Minuluan Festival music theme begins to echo.
Behind me is ang Bukawayan, no? And they're preparing naman sang ilang piyesa para sa street dance nila. Kaya may judging area within the street. So, after this, may pila pa ka grupo nga diri naman makadto for their street dance nga piyesa nga ipakita diri. Duwa pa lang ka contingent dire ang ara sa street dance nato, no? Nga na witness and dugay-dugay we're gonna go sa arena to witness sang arena competition naman sa 26th Minuluan Festival.
The street performance of the 7 contingent clustered barangay was energetic and vibrant. Diri, ginpakita ang street dance performance na piyesa sa mga panel of judges. Kag after sa street dance, mapadayon ini sa arena sa Talisay City Public Plaza Gym kung sa diin maga-perform naman sang ilang nga dance drama.
Kaya magasugod na ang arena competition. Nagalalabot na mga bisita, mga judges. So far, excited kag full pack diri ang gym sang Talisay. Kag excited na sila para magtanaw sa mga competing tribes for Minuluan Festival.
The Minuluan Festival. This festival is more than just dance and costumes. It's a powerful tribute to the courage of the early settlers of this city, which was once called Minuluan. The name Minuluan itself carries so much history. It symbolizes the struggles, the victories, and the stories of a community that has thrived for generations. And through this festival, the people of Talisay strengthen their cultural identity and proudly showcase who they are as Talisaynons. And one of the highlights here is the Minuluan dance drama, a live performance that brings history to life. It tells the story of Minuluan long before the Spanish arrived to spread Christianity in Negros.
This is where the Minuluan dance drama takes place, no? This is where the spotlight, where you are seeing is just a performance, but it's a retelling of their own history.
The Minuluan Festival dance dramatization portrays the journey of the early Talisaynons from their days of hunting in the forest of Minuluan to the Moro pirate raids, the shift from pagan beliefs to Christianity, the golden years of the sugar industry, and finally, the transformation of Talisay into the vibrant city we know today. And that right there is the heart of the Minuluan Festival, the dance drama. The Minuluan Festival are not only remembering the past, it's also about celebrating the present. And now after that powerful showcase comes the moment everyone has been waiting for, the announcement of winners.
Ang mambaw lang sir, kung ano magandang matabo, bato ng sir, ang yan, hanggang sa ginawa mo lang ng bato na naman sir.
This year's champion is none other than Sitio Sampok Maradula. They gave it their all and the crowd definitely felt it. And coming in as first runner-up is Sitio Katongranya, followed by second runner-up, Sitio Dagyao. But here's the crazy part. Sitio Sampok Maradula didn't just win the championship, they basically swept almost every single minor awards, from Best Choreographer, Best in Discipline, Best in Production Design, Best in Banner, Best in Kapitan Character, to Best in Costume Design. And it doesn't stop there. They also won the Best in Choreography, Best in Costume, Best in Performance, Best in Fight Scene, Best in Rhythm, and even Best in Street Dance. It's a clean sweep. Talk about making history here at the Minuluan Festival. Sitio Sampok Maradula really showed us artistry, teamwork, and tradition blend seamlessly into a masterpiece. Speaking of history, the 26th Minuluan Festival is also a milestone. It's the first to be administered under Talisay City's very first Lady Mayor, Mayor Rowena Weng Lopez Lizares. Her leadership marks a new chapter for the city, blending heritage with progress and showing how tradition and modern leadership can move forward together.
Minuluan Festival, and I think it was very successful. As I said, no, sa previous na to na mga interviews na indutayan na mo ng programs, but no, mas better and more successful programs, especially aton productions in mayuhan nita mo.
To wrap up the 26th Minuluan Festival, the night's biggest highlight was a performance by Bamboo, one of the Philippines' top music icons. The venue was jam-packed, literal na hindi mahulugan ng karayom, with every street corner filled with people, and even the LED walls for the live feed were surrounded by massive crowds. The energy was electrifying, making it the finale to remember. What makes the Minuluan Festival so special isn't just the colors, the costumes, or even the thunder of the drums. It's the spirit of the people. Here in Talisay City, you see a community that comes together not just to celebrate, but to honor their roots, their identity, and their journey forward.
A celebration that honors our rich culture, our vibrant history, and the enduring spirit of the people of Talisay City, Negros Occidental.
This festival is a reminder that culture is alive, not in museums or in books, but in the heartbeat of the people who dance, sing, and smile together. And when you stand here in the middle of it all, you don't just witness a celebration, you feel the pride, the resilience, and the joy of Talisaynots.
Happy Minuluan, madamo gid nga salamat, padayon kita sa gwapa nga pang-Imanwa, Asenso, Talisay.
So if you ever find yourself in Negros Occidental, don't just pass through Talisay City. Come to Talisay City and experience the Minuluan Festival. Let the energy move you and carry with you the inspiration that culture connects us all. Because in the land called the cradle of Negros civilization, ang lugar nga kung diin mo ma-experiensya ang gwapa nga panghimanwa, kag gwapo nga serbisyo. Here, every step, every beat, and every smile is an invitation to be part of something bigger than yourself. This has been the 26th Minuluan Festival of Talisay City. And trust me, this is one celebration you don't want to miss. So kita-kit sa madason nga Minuluan Festival diri sa Talisay City. Ining inyong alagad si Radyoman Patrick Bucabal, your Juandering Negrense, tatak!
RMM!